Here it is. Not totally at the bottom yet, but I'm gonna keep going to drive and record at the same time. This will be interesting. And down here we should be able to get a better look. There's a bridge. There's a pull-off spot too. Yeah, oh yeah, it opens up here, so we'll get a really nice recording, nice shot. Just gonna hop out real quick and get some recording. This road is pretty bad. Sloppy mud. Oh yeah, wow. And here we go. Wonder where this waterfalls, this river comes from, on top of that mountain, somewhere in between. This is just gorgeous. Wow. A little cave under there. And we have some more of this white rock here. Wow, wouldn't it be nice to go up top of there and see what there is as far as a lake or a little pond. Check the other side of this and see what this looks like. Just a river. You can see down in there. Alright, this is a sloppy road. So, on we go. One last look. Wow, it's got a fall of about, I don't know, 60, 70 feet at least.